You cannot hear what I'm saying, but I'm saying, hey, what's up, guys? If y'all like this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, the first thing I'm doing is putting the concealer on there, and because like it gives it like a pop of color, like it extra pops it out. And then I'm going to set it afterwards because I found out that it blends better after you set the concealer. And now I'm just taking a light brown and putting it all over my crease and above. It's kind of like a orange, light tan color, but it's like tan, but it has like an orange tint to it. It's kind of hard to explain. And then, I just put it all over and like until it like darkens up in the crease. And then on my outer crease, I use a brown shade. And, try to blend it together. And it's gonna look crazy, but at the end, it goes together. Okay, and now I'm just cutting my crease. I love me a good cutting the crease. And now I'm putting the orange color on there. And it's a pretty orange. And yeah, I don't set the concealer when I put the eyeshadow on there, because I guess it kind of makes it stick. But if that makes it look better, then put that down in the comments. But I don't usually have no problems. I'm putting on my eyeliner, not a wing one, just one on my lash line. And then I'm going to put some concealer and some mascara on. It look crazy right now, but because I haven't wiped it yet. But I'm about to clean it up in a minute and then it's going to look good. you can't hear what I'm saying in this clip. I'm saying if you like this makeup, then subscribe for some more and comment down more what you want from me. And back to Past Me. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and comment down more what you want from me. Peace out.